Hello, welcome to Soundop Tutorials. In this video, we will focus on operations to play audio in Soundop. The playback operations are almost the same in the audio file editor and the multi-track editor. You can use the transport panel to control playback. Play, pause, resume, loop, fast forward, rewind, move the cursor to the next marker, move the cursor to the previous marker, stop. To control playback with the keyboard, start and stop play, pause and resume play, switch loop on and off, move the cursor to the next marker, move the cursor to the previous marker, shuttle left, shuttle stop, shuttle right. And you can change the cursor by click on the upper half of the time ruler. Soundop will play only the selection when there is a time selection, and play to the end when there is no time selection. You can change the default behavior by play with commands in the transport menu, or the shortcut menu of the transport panel. Soundop can scroll the timeline automatically when playing, and change the edit cursor when stop playback. You can change the options in the playback preference page and the scroll toolbar. You can also change the default behavior with commands in the transport menu and the button in the transport panel. To synchronize the edit cursor to play cursor, click the button in the scroll toolbar. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.